From the first time I set my eyes on you, I didn't know.
Hi, baby.
From the start.
You're so beautiful. How are you?
I didn't know.
Oh my gosh, your dress is so long.
I know.
You're so beautiful.
Or how in love I'd
Are you ready to get married?
Yeah.
I'm ready to get married. I know.
You show
I know. There's gonna be another ring right there. I'll be able to wear mine.
Nice.
I know.
the way you
so
touch
excited.
me, hold me quietly.
I know. You're so beautiful.
And when I have you in my arms, I feel undone. So in a long way, I've come to say I love you. Well, every day I open my eyes next to you. Is a day.
I am glad that Reno was able to find somebody as amazing as Amber. She is super kind, friendly, and was so great at getting involved with our family when she first came over.
So we'll start today and build our world together.
Birdy.
The way we love is the way we will stand. And I know, yes I know, I will last the stormy weather. Just as long as I got you.
Can love last forever? I believe it can. Real love is not just a feeling. It is a commitment, a decision to care, to support and stand by someone through the ups and the downs. It is being there in the best of times and the worst of times. It is a bond that strengthens as time goes by.
You're everything I am not. It's when I have you in my arms, I feel undone. So in a long way, I've come to say that you showed me what it means to be loved. The way you touch me, hold me quietly. You're everything I am not. Is when I
You know, I promise to love you.
Amber, I promise to love you, commit to you my whole life,
Promise to be there for you when you need me.
to be honest with you,
To be faithful to you and you alone.
It's in a long way. I've come to say
I'm so happy to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
say I love you. Under the bright lights, no one around, it's only you and me. Here until the sunrise, I wanna stay with you and never leave. The world's slowing down, my heart's beating.
Amber, I'm so happy that you found Reno. Well, I'm actually happy that you finally gave him a chance after him trying so hard for 3 months to win you over. And she was not interested for the longest time and would come home and go, but he's a ginger.
Love is in the air tonight. Love is everywhere tonight. Moving through my heart like the wind. I come alive as I breathe it in. Love is in the air. Love is in the air tonight. Tonight. Love is in the air. Love is in the air tonight.
Reno, I hope that you realize that by saying I do, you really just signed up for a lifetime full of Disney trips, maybe even a gluten-free mint Oreo cookie here or there. And just to let you know, I will be buying your future kids Eagles jerseys, not Chiefs jerseys.
The world's slowing down, my heart's beating.
I'm glad that my sister-in-law is Amber. So Reno and Amber, for a long and healthy and loving marriage. Congrats.
Love is in the air.